not let your hearts be troubled. You believe in God, believe also in me. John chapter 14 verses 1. Hello beautiful family, a very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. I'm super excited today to come your way with one of my favorite soup that I love to take you on a trip to where most of the times we're going to be making one of my favorite soup ever, that is Ademe or Ayoyo soup. And we're going to make it oilless this time around, and of course if you're making this soup we should pair it with some EWORKPLE. I'm super excited to share this recipe with you, so please be sure to stay tuned while we make this together. It's just so good. So let's go through the ingredients. For my choice of protein today, I'm using some fresh goat meat. You may use any meat of choice. I also have my frozen adame or ayoyo, okay, and I also have some little bit of okra on the side. Here are my seasoning vegetables. I'm using some peppers, onions, garlic, ginger. I'll also be using a tablespoon each of dried anise seed and rosemary, and I also have some dried catfish flakes, which I'll list each and every ingredients below, so please be sure to check them out. I'll begin by chopping few ingredients, and I'll also blend my ginger, garlic, anise seed and rosemary with some onions as well. All right, I'm going to chop both the red and the white onions at this point. All right. I'll also go ahead and blend one habanero pepper and few chopped tomatoes. This recipe does not require you to add too much tomatoes, okay? Just a few of them. I'm listing the actual quantity below, so please do well to check it out. So once I'm done, I'll go ahead and put my protein in my pot. To that, I'll add my chopped onions and also proceed to add all my blended natural spices. I also went ahead to rinse the blender with a little bit of water, and I went in with a bit of salt, some goat seasoning and some all-purpose seasoning. Now you just want to make sure that you mix everything together. You cover it and you allow this to steam for about 20 minutes. Goat can be very tough, you know. Now the aroma in here is just so gorgeous. I'm going to give everything a stir, making sure that the button is nice and clean with no burns at all. And I also go in with my blended tomatoes and habanero pepper. Once again, rinse the blender with a little bit of water, stir everything to combine, and you want go ahead and cover it. Allow this to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. All right, so good, it smells amazing. So 20 minutes later, this is what you get. It's just aromatic in here, so good. The aroma of the goat meat is something else. It is so amazing. I'm going to cover it, and this time I'm going to lower the heat for about 10 minutes ish. So now we need to proceed and cook our adame or ayoyo. Okay, so in a pot I'm going to add 1 cup of water, and I also add 1 tablespoon of shrimp powder. And I did not have any dawa at home. It was such a shame, but I went ahead to add some beef as well, and I'll cover the pot and allow this to boil while I prep for the okra and the adame or ayoyo. All right, normally you will not need any form of okra in this recipe, but just because I use the frozen ayoyo or adame, I like to top it up with some freshness. That's why I go for the fresh okra, but honestly you can just use the fresh adame if you get your hands on it. Okay, so this came in a pack. It has been processed, it has been frozen for God knows how long. So I'm going to rinse it off, and also I like to blend my okra. I'm using my hand blender this time. It is easy for me, and it doesn't blend so smoothly. Okay, so I'm using it and I blend it like this. This is what I love to see. Once I'm done with that, I'll then go in with my ayoyo leaves and I'll also give it a slight blend, not too much, okay, because I love to see some of the ayoyo leaves in there. But if you are someone who does not like too much texture, you may just go ahead and blend it in your blender very smoothly. All right. In some recipes, you need that simple hand blender. So if you're willing to buy one, I have it on my Amazon storefront. I'm going to link it below. So please go ahead and click it and shop yours. It's very affordable. And make sure you give it a good beat just so that it maintains its sliminess as I'm doing here. So once the water comes to a boil, just go ahead and put it all in and allow this to cook for just 5 minutes, okay, not more. You want to maintain all that nutrients, okay. So I am going to add my catfish flakes. I love it in here, okay. If you have kakome, go ahead and add few in here as well. It's so good, okay. Just allow this to simmer or boil for just 5 minutes and you should be done. All right. Please do not forget to like this video as it helps the channel grow, okay? So please do well to hit the like button. It really helps. All right. So this goat meat is doing amazing after a good 40 to 50 minutes of steaming. It is so good and the aroma is just heavenly. Now our ayoyo and okra is also done. So all that we have to do is join them together and allow them to get to know each other. All right. This is just one of the tastiest adame soup that I've ever made. You can see all the oil in there. That is from the meat. I did not add any oil at all. It is oilless, but we somehow managed to get some oil on top. All right, so mix everything together and you may also go in with some chopped red onions for that beautiful crunch. Honestly, once they are joined together like this, your soup is basically ready, but you just want to garnish it a little bit. Here I use some red onions and some beautiful red and green pepper for that heat, extra heat, and also very lovely colors to see. You can throw in as much as you want. All right, stir together, allow it to simmer for just 5 minutes and it should be done while you go ahead and prep for your EWORKPLE. All right, I have a full recipe here and I'm going to link it right here and below, so please do well to check it out. We are ready to enjoy this amazing meal. It is so good, so delicious, and very healthy. I really hope you give this a try. All right, so amazing. This is just perfect for a Sunday relaxation meal. I think you're going to love it, especially the kids really enjoy this meal. You may also pair it with some bangkung or even eba. It is so good and you have to try this, fam. You really need to. Let's look at how good this soup looks. It's so delicious and I really want you to give it a try, and I am so certain that you're going to love this. So there you have it, family. Thank you so very much for watching. I truly appreciate your time, and also please comment below, let me know how you like it, if you've tried it, if you're about to try. All right, and also please share it to a few friends and family as well. Please kindly like this video if you enjoyed this recipe, and if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and as always, know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day. Bye.